Okay, Lexi, I'm going to give you some feedback on your week 2 and week 3 contributions. Um, you've done a self-assessment here. I'm wondering if you could just watch this. I'm going to actually copy this, or you could right-click. So I'm just going to go right-click, and I'm looking for copy link. And then I'm going to put in something like a nice label here, like, what is this? This is self-assessment. So I can say self-assessment for week 2. Okay. And I'm just going to highlight this, right click, insert link. Just get this out of the way. And then I'm going to right click and paste that link here and apply. And I no longer need this messy URL, and it's not descriptive either, right? So, and you believe you should get an A, and you've given a very detailed explanation, which is top notch, and certainly is an A quality explanation. Let's take a look at your work though. So this was the information literacy pursuit, and um, briefing document interconnects of critical thinking, information literacy, got an executive summary, looking at the key areas. Although I will say it is quite challenging to follow this. I'm not entirely sure. Yeah, it's kind of smudged in there. So I think the presentation could be more concise, better, especially when you have a tool like ChatGPT where you could tighten that up. I'd say that's it's complete, but that's more like a B plus kind of thing. You spent some good effort here, and this is really good reflection. So that's definitely A quality. And then I don't have the link to your project. This week, my personal focused on a case study from my telecom company with the goal of improving new training and helping them. So, are you doing a different project each week? I hope not. So, you're preparing a 2-week training program. Okay, here, using Gen AI to generate bilingual technology term lists. Okay, nice. Um, okay, so I guess I need, where's the product, right? So I'm looking for the product here. And interactive experience. Okay, so that's great, but let's see, you've got it, and I'm just gonna maybe go here and see what do you have. See, I don't see your project, so I need to see that and the results um, and yeah, you've done some very good reflections here and some challenges, so that's good. This week is something in the academic workplace project, not only, okay, but yeah, okay, so I need the link to your project, the output, what happened. Um, uh, okay, so I'm convinced you used it. And then you have, yeah, good summary of your in-class contributions. And then you've got some very good articles here. And then I guess you're reviewing a resource, so that's kind of cool. And then in week 3, again, this is your self-assessment, and it's very detailed again. And you're giving yourself an A, and that's a good summary. And then what do we have here? the activity here was to, oh, your challenges. Okay. All right, you took this seriously in the challenge analysis. Training employees, task trend, practice case scenario, step by step, prompt, generic outputs. Is creating foundational training, which definitely is okay. I'm glad it's really helpful for you. That's great. And then so that's the activity. Yes, okay. You produce that. This is a very nice summary of what you learned. And then what do we have here? Designing a team building event. Okay, so you're doing these mini sort of projects. That's interesting. So I need to see what what it was. So the exam and the magic design. So I love that you're doing this. This is great. I just need to see the final product, if that makes sense. Got your in-class contributions again. Oh, that's long. Um, okay, yeah. Sorry, that's your Chat GPT thing. And then, okay, so this looks very detailed. And then what did I ask for? This was, oh, evaluate one of the resources. So ultimate cheat sheet. Okay, it's a very good analysis. Well done. And okay, so you're actually in week 4, which is, I might as well take a look at it. I think you're ready. Are you ready? You've given a very detailed explanation again. You've got your video, which is solid. Watch the thing, create a Robin, understand the and design the video, understand heavy workload from full-time 5 courses. Use AI tools to save time and stay organized. Wow, you're taking 5 courses and you're doing this quality work. You're amazing. You're a hero. Just know that. That's just pretty darn impressive. Okay, good. And then what was this one? Oh, planning a year-end cruise trip for my parents. Okay. Okay, fair enough. Oh, here's the role of Gen AI. A site with searching travel information. Okay. All right. I'm going to encourage you to try to maybe do something a little bit more. Well, I'd like to see the actual. You've done this, right? 3 hours, but I would like to see you use a bigger range of tools because I don't know. And what's the product produced? So that's the only thing holding you back, right? You're kind of that. As soon as I see the products for you're kind of at that A- level. But as soon as I see the products, it's an A+. If that makes sense. You're creating a Gemini storybook about your dog. Oh, okay, cool. Done all that. Contributions, personal reflections, challenge. And nothing for this week. So you're sailing along. You're very strong, Luxia. If it's Luxia, just include the samples of the projects you created. Okay. Thanks.